Hello and welcome to another video. Today, I will show you how to change keyboard language in Windows. There are two options. In the first one, you have to press on Start plus spacebar. If you hold the Start key after you press the spacebar, you will open a menu, and by pressing spacebar you can choose between multiple languages. The second option is nearly the same, but you are pressing Alt plus Shift. And again, when you hold the Alt key after you press Shift, you will open the menu where you can, by pressing Shift, choose between multiple languages. That is everything for today. If the video was helpful, click the like button. And if you want to see more videos how to do something, then click the subscribe button. You can also watch other videos that appeared on the screen. That is all. Goodbye and enjoy your day.